Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's review is going to be on a new Teddy Blake handbag. Teddy Blake recently reached out to me and asked if I would review one of their handbags. And of course, before I do any kind of collaboration with a company, first off, I make sure they are a quality company and something that you guys, my viewers, will enjoy watching. Now, if you haven't heard of Teddy Blake, they do sell quality handbags made out of Italian leather. And when I saw their handbags, I completely fell in love with the styles. Now, I haven't seen these bags before. I do not know what the quality really actually is like, but I just received the bag today. I did choose one of the bags, so we will go ahead and unbox this bag and let's see what it looks like. I went ahead and chose the Kate Vitello 12-inch in the color red. I don't even know if I said that correctly, but I will go ahead and insert a picture of what the bag looks like online. The bag looks really gorgeous online. I thought it was a bag that you could definitely dress up, and you can also dress down with kind of casual clothing. It was so hard to choose just one bag, but I did have my eye on the Kim Stampado in the 11-inch. I also had my eye on the Elisa Vitello. That was such a very cute bag. I felt that it was so casual and something that I would wear on a daily basis, but I ended up going for the Kate Vitello. So let's go ahead and unbox this bag and see what it looks like. Now, before I unbox this, again, full disclosure, the company did send me this bag, but I am going to be completely honest with my thoughts about this bag and what I think about it. So don't worry, if I don't like what's in here, I will be sure to let you guys know, but let's go ahead and see. Now, first off, the package for this bag definitely screams luxury. It comes just like this. Ooh, really nice. Okay, inside it has Teddy Blake New York designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Yeah. I just zoomed you guys out a little bit so you can see this bag just a little bit better. Okay, the packaging is actually really nice. Completely bubble wrapped. Okay. The moment of truth. Oh, it definitely smells like leather. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Wow, this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. I do see a tiny little bit of a scratch. The camera is going to show that, but it's a very cute bag. I love the style of it. It's something very unique. I haven't seen this kind of style before. So on the side here, there are little clips, which are so cute. Okay, so we do have a handle for it as well. This kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton bags. Add this on here, so it has a little opening in here. I guess you wrap it right around there. Just wear it like that, or you could choose to take this completely off and not add it on. Now you could hold this bag just like that, or of course you could add the little handle, which just clips in on the sides. So you could wear this bag just like so, funny, or you could of course just hold it like that. I feel that I like this style a lot more. I think this is a beautiful color. I'm really happy that I chose the red. I think it's beautiful for the summer and especially in the fall with kind of like a beige coat. Just wearing this bag and kind of black pants, it looks so pretty. Even with the outfit that I'm wearing today, just a jeans jacket with kind of a black t-shirt and using this color to kind of create a statement to your outfit, I think that's really perfect. Now inside we do have suede material. I don't know how I feel about that, just because I feel that with different things that you put in your bag, it's going to really wear down the bag very quickly, but it's still a nice touch. I feel like it makes it very luxury. And we have 2 zippers inside, which I love, definitely very convenient. It's actually quite a roomy bag inside. I really do love it. I think it's so beautiful. A lot of the times when I'm thinking about different outfits, I always go onto Pinterest. And when I started researching red bags with clothing, I kind of saw different outfits that would really look beautiful with a red statement bag, just like this one. Something casual, and then you have kind of dressed up type of look, which looks so gorgeous. This looks so chic, even for work, kind of to make a very luxury type of statement. I think this bag is gorgeous. I love the way it looks. I love the fact that it has the sides just like that. I think it's a very nice style bag for sure. Now, this is a luxury leather bag, and usually if you buy something like this from a luxury high-end brand, you get it for at least $1,000. This one does retail for $359, which is quite expensive, but for what it is and the type of leather that it is, it definitely is worth it and very beautiful. I definitely love this bag. I think I'll be wearing it so much over the summertime. Yep. I love the leather material on the outside. It's definitely quality leather. It smells like leather right off the bat when you open the bag. I love the little chain here. I think it definitely adds such a nice luxurious touch to it, and definitely the clamps up here. I definitely feel that that is beautiful. This bag does come in different colors. It comes in a black. It also comes in a blue jeans as well as a royal blue color. I think that one would look really pretty. It also comes in a gray and also a beige color, but I chose the red one and I'm definitely glad I did because it's really beautiful. So just my final thoughts about this bag. I definitely think it's very beautiful. It's so chic. I love the color. I definitely would recommend the red color for sure, but I highly recommend that if you guys are looking for a bag or something just for your loved ones for their birthdays or a special occasion, I definitely think Teddy Blake is a place to go for a luxury handbag. I think it's such a chic bag and definitely will be a statement in your collection. And that's it for my review today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment below if you like these kind of fashion type of videos, and I will make sure to do a lot more of them. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.